I'm traveling from 3 years. I live in Italy. I started my journey from Italy 3 years ago, crossing all Europe, Middle East, all Arab countries, and then I'm here in Pakistan. It's been more than 2 months since I entered Pakistan from Iran side, from Taftan. I crossed all Balochistan, Lahore, Islamabad, north, back to Lahore, back north. So I did a little bit around, yes. So in more than 2 months, I never had to stay in a hotel. Everywhere I was hosted by locals, either friends of friends or a bikers community, or just simply people pick me up from the road, invite me to their house. So it's a very good feeling that I can keep doing my big challenge also here in Pakistan. My bike, it's a very atypical bike for this type of a journey. It's a Harley Davidson. It's not an adventure bike. It's more like a cruise bike, street bike like this. So far, I went with this bike in very challenging places. I went to the other side, Hunza and the China border. And now I came to this side to explore the Osai. I just came back from a hiking expedition, solo hiking expedition. My best message is that I choose to bring here my 15 years old niece to travel alone, me with her. That means that I'm very confident here in this country. There is so much to explore, so much beauty, and a mix of a lot of culture, and there is a lot of richness. So I will advise everyone to come here and to explore this beautiful country.